With the examples of disputes that you've given, the political cases and the bank cases, how well positioned would you say that the LMDC is to ease the burden on the regular courts?
Well, the LMDC is very reasonably positioned in that we have a list of neutrals, that is mediators, very reputable mediators of various backgrounds. They are drawn not even just from the legal profession. You have engineers, you have accountants, you have people from the various disciplines. And when a matter is sent here from the law courts, we take a look at it and determine which appropriate mediator should be charged with it. You know, it is a way of life which encourages dialogue, a way of life which speaks to the human qualities of using your brain and using all the qualities the Lord has given to you, which is why we are superior to animals. We can reason, and we ought to know the difference between right and wrong. We ought to know when we ought to be able to meet ourselves halfway. You are making a claim for 1 million naira against me, and I say, look, it's only 800,000 naira that is due to you. Now, difference of 200,000. Because of 200,000 naira, will it be wise for you to engage a lawyer who charges you 400,000 naira and to wait for maybe about 2 years when indeed inflation would have dented the amount you are claiming, and when even at the end of the day, if you win, when the defendant can go upstairs to the Court of Appeal, the appeal may be totally worthless, but it's going to take a while because there is congestion as well in the Court of Appeal. There's congestion in the Supreme Court. It may take another maybe 3-4 years before the appeal is thrown out. And then the person, maybe the defendant, also chooses then to go to the Supreme Court. You see, it doesn't really make sense. So if we pause and look at it, we would hesitate gravely before using the law courts as a first port of call for the resolution of disputes. Rather, we would ensure that we exhaust all the available means of resolution, either by arbitration or mediation or some other applicable means.